Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to store items in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. In case you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Well, this right here is the interface. Now let's simply try to add some items to start. Let's say I want to add this specific file to start. On the top right corner of each of this file, you will find these three dots or simply more. Just click on it and as you can see, something like this opened up. Well, there are lots of things here like file info, share, copy link and everything. Simply scroll down till you see something like star. Just click on it. And guys, there you go. At the bottom right of the file, you can see a star-like icon. In case there are lots of files and you want to view the starred files at once, what you can do is simply click on this start button right here, just below all files. Simply click on it. And this way, you can easily see the starred files in your Dropbox account. And guys, that is it. That's how you store items in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.